Give you guys a little update. Pete's going to be on the halftime report in just over 5 minutes. So as I'm trading here and my faithful companion Dexter, come here for a second. Dexter, look, Dexter. Can you guys see Dexter? There's Dexter. Anyway, I thought I'd give you guys a little quick update on what I'm doing, what I see as far as what's going on in the market here today. Because yeah, there's some trades out there. Take it easy, Dexter. All right, let's get to some of that then. So we continue to shrug off U.S.-China tensions. That's not a big shocker, I think, to any of us who are paying attention, but just something that I'll point out for you. The dollar continues to drift a little lower, and metal prices are doing what they usually do when that happens, moving up. We have an executive order about social media, but how exactly is that impacting those stocks? Well, we'll talk about that later today on the 3 at 3. As far as some of the updates for you, Workday, WDAY. This one, a lot of volume in here. The average is about 2.7 million shares. It's already traded 4.6 million shares now. And that's just 2.5 hours into the trading day, folks. So WDAY, that's why I'm in that one right now. As far as what else is on my portfolio right here that's moving around, DraftKings, DKNG, bang. Take a look at that one, 10% rally right here. Take a look at Aurora Cannabis making a move here, 6.5%. Don't know how long I'll stay with this one, but I've got some right now. Let's see here. What else? Lumber Liquidators, symbol LL. Lumber Liquidators. Doing a little scalping in there. Where is this one? Salesforce. Yeah. Salesforce, baby. Almost 6%. Come on. Keep them coming, guys. Keep them coming. That'll work. Salesforce trading towards the high end of the day already. Couple of other stocks that I'm trading right here. Alkermes. ALKS. Alkermes, ALKS. What are they buying? They're buying the July, what was that? July 20 calls. So let me give you a quick breakdown of this one if I can, folks. ALKS, Alkermes. The stock is, let's see, ALKS. There we go. It's up a dime on the day. It's trading 16.85. They're buying the July 20s. We're this far from the high of the day right now in Alkermes. They're buying July 20 calls. So information embedded in that. Out to July. So that's 2 months into the future. What else is going on here? They're buying the 20 strike calls, which are out of the money calls. Do you want to chase with those? You sure could. These calls are, like give or take 45 cents. I bought instead the 18 calls and sold those 20 calls, as well as buying some of the 20 calls naked. I have bids in to do that bigger. We'll see if I get filled on that. Second trade that I'll give you while we're still doing this ahead of the halftime report. What was that? COMM. I'll try to update these if I can with you folks. But COMM is a stock that's in the cellular and fiber space. CommScope Holdings. It's just over $10 a share. In this case, they're in here. They were buying the June 10s. That's the one I'm buying too. They bought about 10,000 of these June 10 calls. So keep an eye on that. June 10 calls right now are 80 cents bid, offered at 85 cents. We started seeing the activity in these when they were 40 cents. So I'm in these. I'll try to update for you as we get into the 3 at 3. That's 3 at 3 every business day at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Time for the halftime. Check out my brother Pete and the team over there with Scott Wapner at Halftime Report. I'll see you at 3. Bang.